So, hello everyone, I'm Raghav, I'm the host of this channel and let me start. So, today I am going to tell you about the role of industries in climate change. So, what is the role of the industries when it comes to climate change? So, as you can see, I have written here that the industries is one of the main sources for climate change. So, as we know that there are five types of industries: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, and unitary. So, so now transportation industry is the main contributor to climate change. So, light and duty vehicles is the main contributor to climate change in transportation. The current fuel used is one of the main reasons. The use of private transportation is also one of the main reasons. We are not able to capitalize minimizing the use of petrol, and we are not getting any advanced technology to fuel efficiency. We are just from our cars and the transportation. We are just emitting greenhouse gas and it is harming our environment so harshly. So now I will show you a picture. So this is a picture of the transportation industry and here's a picture of an industry. Thank you.